Hey class, so for the next quarter, we are going to be focusing on how to write how-to pieces of writing. And sometimes when we write how-tos, we have 3 steps that we come up with. Sometimes we have 4. This paper obviously shows 3 steps, first, next, finally. And so we're going to talk about how we use this form to plan our how-to writing. So first at the top it says how-to. And then there's a line right here. And so on this paper, first you need to think of what you want to explain what to do. And so I like to think about things that I'm really good at or things that I do a lot. Like something that I do every day is I brush my teeth. I do it twice a day, right, in the morning at night. So I'm really, really good at brushing my teeth. If somebody asked me that didn't know how to brush their teeth, if they didn't know how to, they could ask me and I could tell them really easily how to brush their teeth, right? So if I want to draw, because I'm really good at brushing my teeth, if I want to fill this paper out for how to brush my teeth, I would put how to, and then I put brush my teeth at the top. And then I would think of the 3 most important steps that would help me be successful brushing my teeth, right? So I might say, the first important thing to brushing my teeth is to get my toothbrush and my toothpaste, right? I can't brush my teeth without those. So I might draw a picture of me getting my toothbrush and my toothpaste, right? So first I get those. Next, I put toothpaste on my toothbrush. So I would draw a picture of that. And then finally, I brush my teeth by brushing the tops of my teeth, the outsides of my teeth, the insides of my teeth, and I brush all over, and then very last I brush my tongue. So that would all be one of my final steps. Maybe I only want to write the steps to actually brushing my teeth once I have my toothbrush or to have toothpaste on my teeth. So I might say, first I brush the tops. Next, I brush the outsides. Finally, I brush the insides and my tongue, right? So you can decide what you think are the most important steps because you are the expert of doing the task that you choose to write how to. Now you might notice that there are some special words that are already on your paper. First, next, and finally. I'm going to add one more. These are called transition words. So we always start with the word first when we're doing our how-to piece of writing, right? That lets me know this is the first step. After I write the word first, I use a special mark called a comma. So a comma looks like this. So I write my first transition word and then I put a comma and then I write my steps. So first comma, I brush the tops of my teeth. Oh, I've got a new step. So I'm going to use another transition word, next. So I write my transition word and I like to color them because they're really special words, and after those special transition words, I always use a comma. So I do my comma after my transition word and I'll write the next step. So first I brush the tops. Next, I brush the outsides. I put a period at the end, and then I'm ready for another transition word. I might use then if I have a 3 steps, but I'm just going to do 2 steps or 3 steps. So I'm going to use last because I do this one for my final step. And again, after my transition word, I use a comma, and then I'd write my last step. I brush the insides, okay? But I like to maybe even circle those commas to make sure that I have them, because one of my kindergarten goals is that I know how to use a comma correctly after a transition word. So that's one of our big new things for our how-to writing, is using those transition words correctly and consistently and using those commas. So kiddos at home, Make sure that you have your transition words and make sure you have the commas after. So right now we're using these boxes that have those transition words. We're going to be, our next few how-tos will have these, but then in a few weeks we're going to go so that we don't have any words on these at all, and we'll have to remember to write down our transition words and commas. Okay, good luck. I can't wait to hear what you're an expert of doing, and I can't wait to have you teach me how to do those things that you do all the time. Good luck.